Why do all OSTs gotta be sad?
I don't know. You know, people
This
just don't
OST?
write happy OSTs anymore.
But still, even if it is or isn't, why gotta be so sad? I just feel like it's gonna be sad.
Boiling in the rain?
Raindrops falling.
Time boils the rain. Sorry,
See?
time boils the rain.
See?
That is the.
That's it. That sounds like it's like the pits of hell, actually.
It does.
Boils.
Boils the rain. But that's the title of this Eluphant, aka Chris. Sound that y'all requested. So
we'll do it. I haven't heard a Chinese song besides Unique and other groups in a minute.
Read the lyrics. Sad as heck. Video's probably gonna be sad. Let's play sad sax songs.
Tiny times.
Look like bubbles.
See, already. Drama.
Wait, one of those girls looks like the lady from that show.
Oh, look at him. His fashion choice here is perfect.
I'm still
as
not
opposed to
used.
that new thing he got. No. Technically he is.
He is, but it really makes the difference. I can't understand.
So dramatic.
His eyes are glowing. Slow motion rain.
Just grabbing and slapping. Oh, it's a beat down. What is this? What is this movie?
Oh, damn.
Gosh. I can be watching Chinese stuff now. God. I need answers.
I'm always looking for another good show to watch. I'll have to report. Is it good?
Hey, what's going on?
It's a friendship. It better not be over a man. Because I hate when it's over a man.
I don't think so. I think it's just women just going apart to go back together. Is someone getting married? No.
Sorry, because it's just...
It's a little weird. You about to cry?
His eyes look like they're glowing in these shots. I don't know how they filmed this, but his eyes are very
He's crying.
luminescent.
Put tears in his eyes.
They look like they're glowing. So strange how the whole face dark and then have that the eyes be the one thing that's just.
Why do y'all insist upon us being sad? Granted, I don't know what movie this is.
It came out already, and I don't. Okay, y'all. So somebody's watched it, which means one of y'all out there have to report back and tell us if it's good or not, so I can go and find some English subs.
Because I need answers now.
I want to watch it.
Why they beat each other with flowers?
Flowers, bags.
And like leaving them in the forest, like crying.
So much.
I understand this is not the reason why y'all wanted us to watch the video. It's supposed to be about Chris. However, this is important.
We like a story, so you can't show us a story and then think we're not going to want to get involved with
But Chris, with the Wu Yi Fan,
it's still. I feel like I know
it's a whole different person.
It just really feels like a whole different person.
A whole different person.
Because now I hear him sing. I'm getting used to it. Little by little, but you know, because we're not being exposed as much to all the stuff he's doing in China, so we don't get to see it nearly as
you're really searching for it.
Yeah, like I have to like search
because there are certain website places, like Todu, even Neighbor and all of them, they don't really share a lot of stuff.
No,
they won't.
Yeah, they don't have to though. I mean, they don't have to.
Really hard,
especially with his Chinese promotions, but.
This is sad. Chris. Sadly sweet. His faces. He shows good emotion. And that's good. He's good cold.
Like.
And dark.
But this is like the most I've seen him.
Yes. Express.
Yeah. Express like they said he's free to be, I guess.
Yes, he
so
is.
I like it. I like it.
I'm all about it.
I wanna hear more. Like I'm now really interested in like what his album would sound like.
Go ahead.
So I need
an album.
I don't think he has an album. I think he only has
still, but you can get something.
Because I want to hear what he sounds like in all kinds of genres. Now that it's obvious that he can sing and carry a tune. So
tell us what you think of the video, and if you've seen the movie, please help us out. Help us out.
I want to know. I want to watch.
Comment below.
You look good.